Hi guys, now let us have a look at this fourth bit of second problem. In this, they said that Meena went to a bank Y to withdraw cash. How much? 2000 rupees. Now she asked the cashier to give only 50 and 100 rupees notes. Then cashier gave total altogether 25 notes. Now we need to find how many 50 rupees and how many 100 rupees notes were received by Meena. Since we don't know 15 rupees notes how many she received, we are assuming it as X, and we also don't know how many 100 rupees notes she received, so we are assuming it as Y. But altogether means total number of notes received by Meena is 25, so we can write X plus Y is equals to 25, and that is our first equation. And we also know one more thing, total amount received by Meena is 2000. How do we get? 50 into X, 50 rupees into number of notes plus 100 rupees into number of notes, that is 100Y. So 50X plus 100Y is equal to total amount 2000 rupees, and that is what our second equation. Now let us solve these two equations. So that first let us divide the second equation with 50 on both sides. So when you divide the second equation on both sides with 50, 51 ja, so you will get X, 52 ja 2Y, so 50 40, 50 into 40 2000. So we got finally, after dividing from the second equation, you got X plus 2Y is equals to 40. Now if you subtract this first equation from third, you can eliminate X term. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. Now this is third equation and we are taking first equation, and let us subtract, so we will change the symbols. And why are we subtracting? We are going to eliminate X term. So what is left with us? Y is equals to 15. Now we got Y is equals to 15. If you substitute this Y is equals to 15 in equation 1, you will get X is equals to 10. Finally we got the answer. What is it? The number of 50 rupees notes received by Meena is equal to 10. The number of 100 rupees notes received by Meena is equals to 15. Hope you got good clarity on the problem which we have discussed. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.